You are overthinking things. You're doing the same exact dentistry when you're an associate and when you're an owner. Like, stop thinking that you have to have some sort of crazy abilities in order to be an owner. You have to know how to do full arch implant restorations. I got an email just the other day. The dentist was like, well, I'm comfortable doing implants and all on four restorations, but I'm not comfortable doing full mouth restorations if the patient needs more than 20 crowns at a time. I was like, is this email a joke? Like, what are you talking about? Most dentists do not do 20 crowns at a time. And even if you do, you just prep the crowns and send it off to the laboratory and they do the work for you. So like, stop overthinking things. That's not going to be an issue. You're going to get into the practice and you're going to be doing the same exact type of 1 to 2, 3 crowns at a time that you were doing when you were an associate, and you're going to be making twice as much, 3 times as much. You're going to have more flexibility in your schedule. You're going to have more respect from the patients, the staff, everyone else. Stop trying to make ownership something that it's not. It's not that big of a deal. Is it going to be stressful your first few months out? Yes, it's going to be stressful your first few months out. Of course, almost anything you do is stressful for the first few months. Like we said, that stress is also excitement. It's the same thing. When you do something new, it's exciting. It's new. You're learning new things. Yeah, you're going to have to spend a lot of time at the office getting things set up the way you want to get them set up. But once they're set up, if you set them up right, then you're going to be able to move on to other things. And that's why owners, you often see, they do so much traveling. They're golfing all the time. They get boats and they have all these other hobbies. It's not hard to find all sorts of examples of dentists that have all these crazy hobbies because they have the money and they have the time and they've set up their business to where they can go do other things. You come into the office for your 3 days a week, you see your patients, and then you've got the rest of the week to do whatever you want to do, and you actually have the money to do those types of things. That's the kind of life you can have if you figure out ownership. The sooner you figure it out, the sooner you're going to get through the initial year or two of setup, and the sooner you're going to be at a point where you're making the kind of money that you thought you were going to be making as a dentist when you went to dental school. The sooner you're going to be able to get your student loans paid off, and the sooner you're going to be able to actually get the respect that you deserve and have earned when you went to dental school.